Hi, my name is Brandon. I've started the Silent River Tackle YouTube channel as a way to record my fishing journeys and figure out YouTube. So I hope you enjoy this short of me on a kayak, experimenting for the first time with 2 angles and catching no fish. So the chest cam angle is fun, so you can watch me reel and do not more than that, but in the future there will be catches and different things, so follow along as I figure out YouTube. Well, I hope you enjoyed my first attempt with 2 angles and a kayak on a chilly fall day with no catches, and I'm hoping here maybe this week to go out and do some creek fishing, maybe for some trout, and we'll work on creating a short or a full video depending on what content I get and if I have any catches. So thanks for watching. Like or subscribe if you'd like. Thanks.